What's up, guys? I am at SeaWorld San Diego today, and Tidal Twister is completely finished. And they have those, whatever you call them, those things on the track that moves the train. The trains are over by Electric Eel, so the trains are in. Everything is complete, the supports, the track, it's all done. It is set to open. They finally have an opening date released May 24th. So if you haven't heard it already, there it is. May 24th is the opening date.
I'll be there.
Hopefully I can be there too.
Skipping school.
Yeah, hopefully I can get there too. Yeah, definitely try and make it out in May for the first few weeks. That Tidal Twister will be open. I am very excited. We've been watching the construction since November, Mark. So it's been a while. Done tons of construction updates, and it's just really exciting to see it making so much good progress. For forever, it just seemed like it was just a dirt patch. It was like that for months, and then suddenly it took them like 4 days to put the whole thing up. And now they have those things on the track, the trains are in, they have an opening date released. So much stuff is happening, it's great. So yeah, I'll be showing you guys some shots today of what Tidal Twister is looking like, completely finished. And yeah, this will probably be one of the last construction updates because it is almost done. So here is some Tidal Twister construction.
We're gonna get this shit. I wish I want to get this. I'd be down for shipwreck right now, to be honest. It's so hot.
Summer 2019? Nah, May 24th. Opening day is really soon. Let's go.
They're trying. The one in Florida is.
SOS Radio. I'm Captain Hook.
Okay guys, a little something that's interesting. As you can see, on the side of the rails, it's black. Last time I was here, the side of the rails was brown. So that indicates, that's a little bit of proof that there has been a few tests going on. Obviously the trains are not on the track right now, but at one point there was a train on the track, and I'm pretty sure it has tested a few times. Not positive, but there is some proof of that. And obviously they're going to start testing it quite a bit in just a few weeks or so. Tidal Twister Park. Okay guys, just to give you a little bit of an idea of where you'll be able to find Tidal Twister in the park if you're not really sure. This is Manta. This is the whole second half of the ride after the second launch. And the entrance to Manta is back over that way. Okay, so that's where you can get into Manta. You have to walk all the way along here, under the ride, all around it. And you're gonna walk over here. And this really transitions into what's your shipwreck area of the park, which is really getting a big upgrade with Tidal Twister, new major attraction for that area. You already have Shipwreck Rapids, the park's river rapids ride over there, but you're getting Tidal Twister right across from that. And so you'll be able to walk over here. Kind of a nice little area. Really the only attraction over here right now though is Shipwreck Rapids, and it's kind of a distance from everything else. SeaWorld San Diego is a pretty small park, but this is definitely like the far corner of it, and it's going to make it a lot more worth it to walk over here now that Tidal Twister's here. So here's some turtles and Shipwreck Rapids. Yep. And here's Tidal Twister right across from it. The queue line's going to be over on the far side, back over there. We're going to get right up next to the roller coaster here. It's nice and close. It'll be right across from Shipwreck. And the queue line will be on the other side. So they'll be spaced apart a little bit. Yeah, and this is the whole Shipwreck area that Tidal Twister will become a part of. Okay, here's the entrance to Shipwreck Rapids. And you're gonna get Shipwreck Cafe over here. And there's a few other places to get food all around this area. Nice theming. Yeah, I really do think this area is nice. And Shipwreck Rapids is a cool water ride, but yeah, I feel like it definitely needs a little bit more to make this kind of a section of the park worth more of your time. Yep, so here's Shipwreck Rapids. And this is right where you're gonna enter the area. And then this sort of makes a whole circle, because if I keep walking this way, right over there to the left, back, that way, over there, is the Manta queue line. So yeah, that's kind of the little area that Tidal Twister is going to be in, and the rides it's going to be near. It'll be right next to Shipwreck Rapids and pretty close to Manta. So yeah, if you didn't know where Tidal Twister was, that's just kind of the rough area of the park that it's going to be located in. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this Tidal Twister construction update. A lot happened, as it is completely done with all the track and supports. The trains are on site. Pretty sure they started testing, and they will be doing a lot more testing in the following weeks before opening day. So very cool stuff. I'll make sure to have a few more construction updates before the opening day on May 24th. Hopefully I can be here for that. Hopefully you guys can be here for that. Check out the opening. What looks to be an awesome ride. Great supporting coaster for the park. Will really add to the area, make it more worth your time. And so yeah, stay tuned for the next Tidal Twister construction update and the opening of Tidal Twister on May 24th. That's going to be it for this video. California Coaster signing off. See you guys next time.